So let's quickly see what happens if you connect a docking station like this to Android phone. I have this from Tizoom. So it's a Type C docking station. Let's quickly see that. I'll directly insert it. So if I insert, there will be a light coming up. Now what I'll do is let me connect this mouse dongle to this. Let me put it here. It's connected. Let's see if this works. It's changed, and if you see it's working, even the scroll is working fine. Drag is also working. So you can connect hopefully pen drive also. So you can try that and let me know. Thank you.